Hello children, it's our English class today and we are going to learn sentence writing. Look here, who has come for you? It's Mr. Clover. He is going to teach us sentence writing. Let's see what is a sentence, children. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. And when we write a sentence, we follow 3 steps. Let's see the first step. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Always remember, a sentence should start with a capital letter. Look at the picture on the screen. What is it? It is a cat. Where is it sleeping? It is on a mat. Let's write the same sentence here. Cat is on the mat. Look here, children. On the screen, C is written capital letter. C is the first letter of the sentence. So, we have to start the sentence with a capital letter. Let's see another sentence also, which is cat is on the mat. But here in the second sentence, C is written small. So what is the first step we have learned? That a sentence begins with a capital letter. Then which one is correct? Yes, the first sentence is correct. And the second one is wrong. Let's see the step 2. Step 2 in sentence writing. A sentence ends with a full stop. Look here, the cat is fat. Let's write the same sentence. The cat is fat. Look here, the first step what we have learned is the beginning letter, the first letter should be capital. So T is written capital. And at the end, there is a small dot. Did you notice, children? It is called full stop. A sentence ends with a full stop. The cat is fat. Look here. Step 1 and step 2, these two in the second sentence it's not been followed. So which one is correct? Yes, the first statement is correct. The cat is fat. The first letter of a sentence should be a capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. The second one is wrong. Let's see the step 3. We should leave 1 finger space between the words. Look at the picture, children. It's a cat. What is cat wearing? It is wearing a hat. Let's make a sentence. The cat has a hat. The first letter of the sentence is a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. And the step 3 is we have to leave 1 finger space between the words. This is how I wrote. First I wrote the, then I kept my pointer finger after the and wrote cat. After that I removed my pointer finger and kept after cat and wrote has. And I continued till the end of the sentence and at the end I kept the full stop. This is how I have finished writing my sentence. This is the correct way of writing the sentence. Let's see the wrong formation also. Look at the second sentence. See here, this is a wrong formation. What is the first step we have learned? The beginning of a sentence, the first letter should be a capital letter. Is T a capital here? No. And there is no spacing, equal spacing between the words also. So this is a wrong way of writing a sentence. The first one is the correct way and the second one is the wrong way. Right children, I will show you a sentence how to write in your notebook. Okay, look at the picture. Where is the cat? The cat is on the mat. Let's do the sentence for this. Cat is on the mat. This is a sentence we will write in the notebook. Okay, all of you take out your notebook. When you start doing any work, the first thing what you will do, you have to write the date and then the heading. Yes, we will write the sentence cat is on the mat. The first step, what was the first step in sentence writing? The first letter should be a capital letter. So C will be a capital letter. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Here C is a capital letter. Yes. After that we have to leave a finger space. So I will keep my pointer finger like this and then start writing is. I-S is. And then I will remove my pointer finger and move next to is. Keep next to is. Then I will write the next word on. O-N. On. Then I will remove my pointer finger and move next to on. I will keep my pointer finger next to on to leave one finger space between the words. Then I will write the. T-H-E. The. Then I will remove my pointer finger and keep next to the. The last word is mat. M-A-T. Mat. And the sentence should finish with a full stop. See, I have kept a full stop. Full stop is a small dot after the last word. This is how you write a sentence in your notebook. C is capital and you have to use your pointer finger to keep one finger space between the words, and at the end of the sentence you have to keep a full stop. That's it for today, children. Enjoy writing. Bye bye.